How's it going, guys? Yomjosh here, back with another Jailbreak Wednesday, bringing you more tweaks of the week. And I apologize that this might not come on a Wednesday, but it's still called Jailbreak Wednesday. Anyway, with that said, let's get right into the tweaks for today. So the first one is called Nightshade, and Nightshade is pretty cool. So it's an almost system-wide dark mode for your iOS device, which is pretty cool. So it does apply itself, so you don't really have to go into details of setting which app or which app shouldn't have dark mode. But yeah, this is an example of the settings. So this is a bit weirded out because I have easy settings or so, but I'm just going to show you what the dialer looks like. So yeah, it does have purple accents, which is pretty cool, and as you can see in this case, it doesn't really work well with the dialer, so you can barely see the numbers on there. And I'm just going to show you what the music app looks like. This is one of the better examples of this app, or rather of this tweak, Nightshade. And yeah, it does look pretty good here with the purple accent staying as well. And with that said, we're just going to move on to the next tweak called Plmport, and this is absolutely a great tweak. So instead of having to import your pictures from somewhere else or from saving it somewhere on the internet or something like that, you can actually just import pictures, and this is particular to like bulk pictures, and you can do that via Wi-Fi. So you just enter the IP address on your computer browser and you can just dump all the pictures onto there, and it downloads onto your phone immediately. That's pretty awesome. And you can also just go to a file path or URL and also get your pictures from there. And this makes it really good to import pictures onto your iOS device, which is really great. So yeah, that's Plmport. The next one is called DontKillMyMusic, and DontKillMyMusic basically is when you respring your phone and you have music playing, Spotify or otherwise, your music doesn't stop playing. I've checked this out on iOS 11. I did have this on iOS 10 and it worked flawlessly. I haven't been able to get this to work on iOS 11. I'll keep trying and I'll probably leave like an indication to see if it worked, but it doesn't work for me right now, but try it out. It might work for you. And yeah, that's DontKillMyMusic. The next one is called PeterBeaterAlert, and PeterBeaterAlert gives you the iOS 12 beta alert instead of the iOS 11 beta alert. So this only occurs when you respring your device, which I'll do pretty quickly now. So as you can see there, it says iOS 12 beta instead of iOS 11, which is pretty funny if you want to feel like you have an iOS 12 device, which isn't too far off considering iOS 11 and 12 are really similar. But yeah, that's beta alert, kind of like a joke tweak, to be honest. So the next tweak is called MPSkill, and back in the day you did have this thing up here that shows you how zoomed in or how far out you are in terms of meters and kilometers. But yeah, it got phased out in a few iOS and map updates, but you do get it back with MPSkill, which is pretty cool. And the last tweak for today is in the Photos app. So Photos is getting some love today, and it's called Album Hider. So if you have an album that you want to hide, it's pretty easy. You just click the edit up here and then you see this bookmarks icon right there. Hit on that and then you can choose the albums you want to hide. And yeah, pretty intuitive. You just want to hit apply and then you can exit right there. So yeah, that's it for the tweaks for this week. Hopefully I see you guys next week, and make sure you keep gaining those aesthetic points, and peace.